And hope is actually an interesting one, too.
Okay.
Because I'm going to give hope to all the kids out there. Look at that.
Wow.
Yes, everybody. Tomorrow morning.
Keep
There's
hope alive.
a chance, right? Everybody goes, first thing out of the gate, slick spots and power problems. All right. Now, here's the deal. We do have a lot of rain that's falling now, and we have a lot of wind that's going to be coming through. And then we have the temperature drop, which is going to cause things to freeze up. So slick spots are a definite possibility, not only as you step out your door, but of course as the buses hit the roads. So the superintendents will be out keeping an eye on that. But power problems, I would say, is less of an issue, but there's still that chance. So a 25% chance for the school closings tomorrow. Now let's set the stage for that to happen. Temperatures are going to be peaking right around 60 degrees later on this evening, and then here comes the slide. At the same time the temperatures turn, that's when the wind is really going to pick up. We're talking gusts 45 to 50 miles per hour possible, and then you can see how the temperatures get back into the mid-20s for the start of the day tomorrow. So it'll be a quick freeze. We call that a flash freeze, and that flash freeze could be just before everybody gets out the door in the morning. We're still sitting in the warm air right now. Temperatures well into the 50s, but you can see that to the west there is that cold air, and it is on the move. Just ahead of that cold air, we've got these little showers that are popping up. Once we get this next batch, that's the wind gust that's going to be coming. So that's probably at about 9 p.m. or so, 9 or 10. And out ahead of that, we still have this very heavy rain that's coming through northeast Ohio right now. These little showers have been very interesting, and I think it'll be a quick hit of heavy rain and a gust of wind, and then you will be able to feel the temperatures dropping as that cold air that's propelling all of this will be moving in. Still dealing with heavier rain out in Trumbull County. Another batch of heavy showers coming into Mansfield, also Ashland, so be advised this is going to come straight up I-71 as we have that flood watch that is in place. There is a ton of standing water, everybody, so I wouldn't be surprised if we start to get more flood advisories that are issued for the entire area. But we also are keeping a close eye on the rivers. Flood warnings posted for the Grand River, also Eagle and Killbuck Creeks. At the same time, I mentioned the whole wind thing that's going to happen, and those winds will peak early evening, but we will stay gusty overnight tonight with those wind gusts 30 plus, and at the peak of it, probably 45 to 50. Here's the way it goes hour by hour. We get a couple waves of rain moving through here through the rest of the evening. Note that the temperatures at midnight, 30s. We're in the 50s now. 30s, and then by the start of the day tomorrow we will be in the 20s. So any of that standing water that's around, everybody, that will be freezing up. That's the cause for the flash freezing for tomorrow morning, and that could be an issue, especially as you step out your door. Any of those untreated surfaces, that's going to be a problem. And look at this, we've got a ½ inch to just over an inch of rain coming this evening before it all starts to dry out. Let's wrap it up in your Universal Windows Direct forecast. 20s and falling for tomorrow. We'll stay in the mid-20s all day, mid-20s again Saturday. Then we dig out of the basement for a little bit, and if you're looking for weather that you love, how about 32 and partly cloudy for Valentine's Day? There you have it. We'll be right back.